How to fix Apple Cash locked permanently. If your Apple Cash account is locked permanently, it usually means there's a serious issue, like fraud detection, failed identity verification, or violating terms of service. Here's what you can do. Step by step to try and fix a permanently locked Apple Cash account. 1. Contact Apple Support ASAP. Visit https://support.apple.com. Apple Cash. Select Apple Cash. Account locked or restricted, choose to call or chat with support. Be calm, honest, and ask if there's any possibility of appeal or review. 2. Contact Green Dot Bank. Green Dot Bank issues and manages Apple Cash. Call 877-233-8552. Explain the situation and ask why the account was locked. If identity verification failed, ask if you can resubmit documents. Check your email. Look for messages from Apple or Green Dot Bank. They may have sent a reason for the lock or a request for more info. Search for terms like Apple Cash locked, Green Dot, identity verification. 4. Appeal the decision if allowed. Sometimes Green Dot will review your case, especially if it's due to a verification issue or misunderstanding.